How to use Moz as a beginner. So first, you're going to go ahead to your preferred browser, just enter the official Moz website, and you can start viewing their plans. Since the site isn't free, of course, there is going to be subscriptions you're going to have to use in order to sign up, but there is a free option and a trial to see if it works for you. It is a 7-day trial, and you will be able to see what the features are going to be and if it suits you and whatnot. But anyways, the first thing you would need to do is to basically cover the basics. So you gotta tell a few things about yourself, company details, and then you can finally get started. So here you have the dashboard. You can go ahead into your pro home. You have campaigns, AI research, domain overview. But the main thing you can try is to track your own site. So you're going to put in the URL of your own website. You'll be able to do stuff like enter a keyword related to your website or content, and Moz will show data such as the search volume, keyword difficulty, organic CTR, and priority to help you choose better keywords. So you can track your website with a campaign. If you do have the Moz Pro, you can create a campaign, add your website domain, then Moz tracks your rankings, crawl your site for SEO issues, and pretty much just monitor how your visibility changes over time. Then you can check your backlinks and competitors. You can use the link explorer, which was found here to the left of the dashboard. You have link research, or you can just go here to the in-depth link research. You can enter your website or competitor's domain, and you can review backlinks, linking domains, and authority metrics to see where competitors are getting links and where your own site may need improvement as well. From here, you can fix SEO issues and monitor rankings. And by here, I mean the actual Moz Pro section. You can open your campaign reports, which should be found still on your left tab, and you can check sections such as the site crawl and rankings. So fix important problems like broken links, duplicate content, you got your missing tags, or crawl errors. Then you can keep checking your rankings to see whether your SEO improves. So Moz does offer both free tools and paid Moz Pro features, so more reports, limits, and tracking options depend on your plan. But those features are mainly the general things you are able to do in your Moz Pro or just Moz itself. So hopefully this video does help in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.